Today I'm going to show you how to compare Amazon products side by side. This feature is incredibly useful when you're trying to make an informed purchasing decision and want to see how different options stack up against each other. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all the comparison features Amazon has to offer. Now direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in the product or item you're looking for. This could be anything from headphones to kitchen appliances. Once you've entered your search term, press enter to bring up the results. You'll now see a list of products that match your search. Take a moment to browse through these results and find the specific product or item that catches your eye. When you've found something you're interested in, click on it to open the product page. This is where you'll find all the detailed information about that particular item. Once you're on the product page, look below the product image. Here you'll find a button that says Compare with Similar. Go ahead and click on it. This action triggers Amazon's comparison feature, which is designed to help you see how this product measures up against similar options. At this point, you'll need to wait a moment while Rufus AI generates a list of similar products. This AI-powered tool analyzes the product you've selected and finds comparable items based on features, specifications, and customer preferences. The process is usually quick, but give it a few seconds to complete. Once the similar products appear, take your time to review them carefully. You'll be able to see key differences in price, ratings, features, and specifications, all laid out in a way that makes comparison easy. This side-by-side view helps you identify which product offers the best value or which one has the specific features you're looking for. Alternatively, if you prefer a more manual approach, you can scroll down the product page until you find a section displaying similar products. This section is typically located further down the page and shows items that other customers have viewed or purchased alongside the product you're currently viewing. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to compare Amazon products side by side, making it much easier to make smart purchasing decisions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.